Imagine being able to trade on real-world events, not just crypto or stocks, but elections, technology, culture, and global news. That's exactly what prediction markets offer. And today I'll show you how to use them step by step. In this video, I'm Lady Trader and you learn how to create an account, how to deposit funds, how to place your first trade, and how to manage your positions. If you've never used a prediction market before, this guide will make everything clear. Let's get started. First, what is a prediction market? It's a platform where you trade on the outcome of real-world events. Instead of betting against a platform, you trade directly with the other users. And unlike traditional betting, you don't have to wait for the final result. You can enter and exit positions anytime. To get started, open the platform and sign up. You can register using your email or a connected account. Since this is a Web3 based platform, you can also connect a crypto wallet like MetaMask or similar. Once you're inside, you land on the main dashboard. Next step, funding your account. Click Deposit. The platform uses USDC as the main currency. You can deposit by sending crypto, buying with a card, or using supported payment providers. Choose your token and select the correct network. Always double-check the network. If it doesn't match, your funds can be lost. Copy the address or scan the QR code and send your funds. Once confirmed, your balance will appear at the top. Now, let's understand how trading works. Instead of fixed odds, you buy shares, yes or no. Each share has a price between 1 cent and $1. That price reflects the probability of an outcome. For example, if a yes share costs 10 cents, the market estimates a 10% probability. If the outcome is correct, each share becomes worth $1. But here's the key advantage: you don't need to wait for the final result. If market sentiment changes, you can sell earlier and lock in profit. Before trading, always check the order book. This shows buy orders, sell orders, and available liquidity. Low liquidity can lead to worse execution prices. Now, let's place a trade. Choose a market, for example, a political or crypto event. Select your position, yes or no. Enter your investment amount. You'll immediately see number of shares, potential profit, and total cost. Click Buy and confirm the transaction. Once executed, your position appears in your portfolio. Here you can track entry price, current value, profit or loss. To exit, click Sell, choose the amount, and confirm. Now, a few important tips. Use limit orders to control your entry price. Follow market news. Prediction markets move based on real-world events. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Focus on markets with high liquidity. They're more stable and harder to manipulate. And always remember, this is trading, not guessing. To summarize, you learn how to set up your account, fund it, understand how shares work, and place your first trade. Prediction markets are growing fast. They combine trading, data, and real-world insights into one system. Used correctly, they can become a powerful tool. This is Lady Trader. See you in the next video.